Got a lot of quizzes for things like St David's Day, information sheets, worksheets, St Dwiman's Day. I get the students to do a lot of projects as well. We had one recently about the origin of the daffodil and the leek and why we have both of them and so on. And that was very, I learned quite a lot out of that actually. There is a bit of controversy between the two, which one. But they found that interesting as well from the historical links. So yeah, we have projects, displays up on the walls of students' work, quizzes like famous Welsh people. There's a good website, welshpeople.com, famouswelsh.com, which is really good information about people. Lots and lots of information about Dylan Thomas, obviously. So yeah, sort of Welsh themed quizzes, questionnaires, posters, displays. If they go, or when they go to like the National Waterfront Museum, they can have a project and do a display, with the Welsh theme. Last year I got my students to research the new barrage, or potentially new barrage, and they really enjoyed that. From a technical point of view, it's fantastic, and it's going to change Swansea immeasurably. So I think that's something that students needed to be aware of, and sort of very up to date, very modern, that will have an impact on them and affect them if they're living here still. So yeah, they really enjoyed that. So very up to date activities.